Guys, see all those birds? They're out. Oh, birds just flew over there. Do you hear these birds? They're wild. Little tree. Look at this little tree, guys. Look at it. There's a bird over there. That's a killdeer, I think. You guys probably can't see it. Oh no, it's a blue jay. It just went over there. No. That's pretty cool. Some blue jays out. All types of stuff. Let's do it this 360. Oh yeah, like just over there, there's like a river thing. What can be tripping? I just heard something go boop 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 boop. That's a woodpecker pecking at a tree. I don't know what that is. There's a lot of birds. A lot of birds out. Yep, that's a woodpecker over there. Okay, just a lot of birds out. Of course there's a lot of birds out here outside. Look at them flying in the sky. So yeah. Guys, I didn't even try to make more, try to get better at uploading and stuff like that. Get better at videos, quality, stuff like that. And I'm going to be filming some more gaming videos. So I only have like a couple. There's going to be probably some more VR ones too. So, yeah. Watch out for that, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe too. Hear that woodpecker still? What is this thing? What type of plant is this? We're gonna go investigate this weird plant. What are those? Do you see that? What are those things? That's weird. See all these pine trees? There's a lot of birds and animals that crawl up, like under those and area stuff. Oh, there's birds. Yeah, there's birds all through these trees too. There's this. We have this burn pit right here that has like little spots for rabbits and like birds fly on it a lot. That like that tree over there. Yeah. This is where I was talking about a lot of animals like hanging under there. And they come out and want to hide. That. Ooh, look at that thing. Jeez. Doggies. Douglas. I'm gonna go like run to the other side real quick. So you're running. Here's my trampoline. There's a rabbit over there. It's on the ground. Here's this tree. Stuff. There's not much over here. There's back there. But yeah. So yeah. Tractor. Doggo. Video doggo. Foxy. Foxy, don't run. Daisy, Susie. Daisy, Foxy, Susu, hello, Sue. Hello, Susu. Hey, Foxy. Hey, Day. Hey. Yes. Alright, I'm gonna end it here. See ya. Make sure to like and subscribe.